Tia Kids TV. A for ape. Ape. B for bear. Bear. C for cow. Cow. D for duck. Duck. E for elephant. Elephant. F for frog. Frog. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H for horse. Horse. I for ibex. Ibex. J for jaguar. Jaguar. K for Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. L for lion. Lion. M for mouse. Mouse. N for newt. Newt. O for octopus. Octopus. P for penguin. Penguin. Q for quail. Quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for snake. Snake. T for tiger. Tiger. U for urchin. Urchin. V for vulture. Vulture. W for wolf. Wolf. X for Sinatra anteater. Sinatra anteater. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.